Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your M&T Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com and then search for M&T Bank mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to this page, which is the official page of M&T Bank. Click Login, which is on the right hand side of your screen, and you will be taken to the login portal where you can choose the type of account like business or personal or commercial treasury center. You can click your user ID. You can write your user ID over here. You can write your password or your password and click login. Let me teach you once again. Write down your user ID, write down your passcode and click login. If you want your browser to remember your user ID, click on this box and you will no longer need to write your user ID when you click login next time. If you want any kind of help with your user ID or password, this is the link which you want to go through. And if you want to enroll in M&T online banking and you want to create an account, click this link and then you can create an account for yourself. If you want to choose commercial treasury center, click on it, write down your treasury center user ID and click login and write your password. Click login and then you can log into your treasury center user as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.